Hey everyone, welcome to our delicious world. You're in the right place if you love food, want to start your own fast food or restaurant business, or just enjoy cooking like a pro. This channel is all about tasty recipes, business tips, and real-life kitchen experiences that'll inspire and excite you every week. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that red button and ring the bell so you won't miss a single bite. And today, we're bringing you a super special recipe straight from the heart of northern Iran, Torshi-Tareh chicken. It's tangy, flavorful, and full of that northern soul. Ready to dive in? Let's go! Chicken with Torshi-Tareh, northern Iranian sour herb stew. Ingredients: chicken, 4 pieces, preferably bone-in thighs or breast, Torshi-Tareh herbs, approximately 500 grams. Includes leek or chives, parsley, coriander, spinach, and a bit of dill. Optionally add choochagh or khalvash if available for authentic northern flavor. Rice, 2 tablespoons, to thicken the stew. Garlic, 4 to 5 cloves, minced or crushed. Eggs, 2. Sour agent, to taste, about 3 to 4 tablespoons of either verjuice, pomegranate paste, or sour orange juice. Turmeric, salt, black pepper, to taste. Oil, for sauté. Instructions: 1. Sauté the chicken. In a pot, sauté the chicken pieces with a little oil, turmeric, and pepper until golden brown. You can add a little garlic here too for more flavor. 2. Prepare the herbs, wash and finely chop the herbs. In a separate pot, lightly sauté the herbs with a bit of oil and some garlic for about 10 minutes until fragrant. 3. Add the rice, wash the rice and add it to the herbs along with the sautéed chicken. Pour in about 3 to 4 cups of water. Let everything simmer together for 1.5 to 2 hours, until the chicken is fully cooked and the flavors are well blended. 4. Add the sour flavor. In the last 30 minutes of cooking, add your chosen sour ingredient, verjuice, pomegranate paste, or sour orange juice. Adjust to your taste. 5. Add the eggs. Toward the end, crack the eggs directly into the stew. You can stir them in or let them cook whole like poached eggs, depending on your preference. Let it simmer for another 10 minutes until the eggs are set. Tips: for an authentic northern Iranian aroma, try to find choochagh or khalvash herbs. You can also skip the chicken and use hard-boiled eggs as the protein base. Serve this dish with Persian-style steamed or boiled rice, kata or dami. Thanks a ton for sticking with us till the end. You're the real MVP. If you enjoyed hanging out with us, you probably know what to do. Show some love down below. See you in the next delicious adventure.